Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical. Breakout of previous resistance zone and retesting of breakout zone. If any buying happens, can go long with stop loss below 2050. Rounding bottom formation breakout can go long above 1081 with stop loss below 1072. Breakout of previous resistance zone and retesting of breakout zone. If any buying happens, can go long with stop loss below 394. After multiple rejections, stock has given breakout out, and buying near breakout zone can go long with stop loss of 2 points. Breakout of previous resistance zone and formation of flag and pole pattern. If buying continues, can go long above 1870 with stop loss below 1860. On daily chart, stock looking bullish, can go long above 2165 with stop loss of 12 to 13 points. For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.